Hey team, my 2 minute conviction. Often we laugh that meetings are all about taking minutes but losing hours. This idea that we consume so much of our time in meetings and planning sessions and overscheduled, and often we don't get to action the meaningful work we talk about. It's all lip service. So here is my 2 minute conviction. If it's important enough to meet on, it's important enough to write something down. So by that, if you turn up to a meeting with me for anything and you have no pad or pen, no laptop, no iDevice that you can record something on, my people know I'm going to send you out of the room. We're going to defer the start of the conversation until you come back with something to either write it down or record it electronically. If it's important enough to carve out time in my schedule, you want to talk about it, you've got to show me it's important enough to record it. And so if we're going to have a Q&A session, if we're going to do a project planning, if you're going to ask for my advice or input, if you're going to explain to me problems that you want solutions around, then show me that you're serious enough to actually write something down. And I know I would never turn up to a meeting or a session without a means of recording it. A, I should have notes in there in preparation. B, I should have readiness to write down what I learn and what you teach me about the situation. And most importantly, I should be recording the actions that I'm responsible for going out of the session. If you don't write it down, you're screaming to me that you have really no commitment to doing anything about it and no accountability on the other side. So just keep in mind, a blunt pencil is better than a sharp mind. Don't tell me that you're going to remember it, because I'm inevitably going to have to repeat myself over and over again and hold you to something that you weren't prepared to record. So there's my quick, simple 2 minute conviction for today. If it's important enough to meet on, it's important enough to write something down, keep a record, stay sharp, hold yourselves to account, and then you don't end up having repeated meetings over the same things that should have been done already. I hope that helps. Have a great week.